I already applied my primer, and the primer I used is the Dr. Brand primer, the Base Lumiere Luminizer primer. I love that primer. I mentioned that before in my other videos. And today I'm gonna try to get that inner glow, and I'm gonna mix this highlight right here. This is a liquid highlight from Tarte, and I'm gonna mix that with my foundation from MAC, and to get that inner glow. I'm gonna add a little bit here. That highlight is so pretty. See, I'm gonna try to look at that baby, so perfect. So I'm gonna apply this with my foundation on my whole face, just to get that inner glow, you know, that summer-ish spring type of look. That's what I'm trying to go for today. Like I said, I'm gonna mix it with my foundation. First time trying something like that, hopefully it looks good. And I'm gonna use my beauty sponge from Real Techniques and apply that foundation all over my face and the highlight together. And now I'm gonna do my eyeshadows, and then the palette I'm using is the Magic by the Juvia's Bliss. This is the palette. And for my transition color, I'm going to use that color right here, and the name for this color is Cassie. And I'm gonna start with this just to transition. Everything I do here, I'm gonna do it for the other eyes as well. And then, since this is spring, I'm gonna try to do that spring look today. I'm gonna use this green right here and apply this all over my crease. Start from the outer corner and go inside, like that. And then now, I'm gonna use this color right here and apply this on my lids. I'm not gonna cut anything, I'm just gonna apply this here. If you wanna cut your crease, you can cut it, but me, I don't feel it is necessary this time for me to cut it, so I'm not gonna cut my crease. For my inner corner, I'm gonna use the Nubia color right here. I'm gonna apply that color in my inner corner right here. And then for under my eyes, I'm gonna use the same color that I use for my shadows. This is it. Now I'm gonna use my Bare Mineral powder, which is a translucent powder from Bare Minerals. Then I'm gonna brush everything out with my stippling brush from Real Techniques. And now I'm going to contour my face. I'm gonna use my Anastasia Beverly Hills palette as always. This is the palette I use, and you guys know that by now. And for my lips, I'm just going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills. The color for this is Hudson. Can you see my lashes, guys? Oh my god. These are my real lashes. I just apply some mascara on and that's it. Because I'm not going anywhere. I don't feel like it's necessary for me to wear false lashes. I use a Tarte mascara. This is the final look, guys. please like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Joycey_Sammy. This is the final look. If you like it, please let me know. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and also follow me on Instagram at JoyceySammy, Joycey_Sammy. And yeah, that's it for this tutorial. Like I said, subscribe, and I love you guys. I'll see you on my next video. Bye bye.